Oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
Clark. Clarky. Morning, kuya.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind, the number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face, he just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay, all I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Dear Santa, hurry through this birthday winter night. He started with Christmas tree, with every jingle bell I know it only me. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red.
This is their lunch. Bangus with rice and apples.
Kung ano mo, palit na po tayo advent calendar, pwede, ako na mag-video sa akong sarili kay gusto ko, i-post na ko sa YouTube na ako. Yehe! Pero ko naman na sa eskwelahan. Please. Kayo lang. Sa eskwelahan.
2 minutes. I mean 2 hours. I'm ready.
Ida, come here, Ida.
I keep on dreaming of his face, he just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay, all I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I wait on
Jatan. DVD. Like, ano ka ano sa Andisland, pangalan na to kay DVD. DVD. More Aaron. Gaya idoy.
Ida, balik dali. Wala pa ka na human.
Balik. Diba?
so tall, hoping that it'll soon be like an earthbound door.
busy mid kalit kaya nawala ang susi sa iyon pero nakita na. Okay, let's go na, Clark. Mabilis sa day. Nawa na naman mo ka nail cutter ba? Talalo ko sa mga kuko. Not clean. Not clean. Later na lang.
Ako,
Padulong na mag-school, yeah. It's now 6:50 a.m.
Tama na, be.
Hindi na ako ma-feel like an operation.
Next kay 7:07. Diba?
Isa lang, kuya. Good morning. Clark, tabangan, Clark.
Kani o kani.
Thank you. Bye-bye, kuya. Don't drop it, ha?
Papa.
I feel good, like I'm walking on sunshine, and there's nothing that can bring me down. Real good, like joy came in the morning, and the birds are singing sweeter sounds. Ooh, the sun set me free if I just believe I am. Vision is key, so if you can see, you can rise above it. So when life is life and
Good mama fish. Ah, love you.
issues pile up,
Love you, kuya Clark.
remind my friend that God is greater than our problems. When it feels like you can't make it through, just find your gratitude. Gratitude. Just find your gratitude. Gratitude. Just find your gratitude. Mercies are new with every sunrise. There's so many ways to count your blessings.
Open na yung door. Preschool po. Nasa likod ang bag.
Ano, ma'am?
Isa lang po. Isa lang. Kana lang isa. Thank you. Bye, Ada. Yes, Clark. Love you. No need to cry.
Lover mo.
Bye, Clark. I love you, Clark. Is that your classmate, Clark? That boy? Bye-bye. Love you. Good morning, Kuya. Bye. Okay, let's go home. Bye-bye! Like that time. Kaya na-drop na natutunan bata. It's now, what? Napalong ang ako. Dash ko. Ano? Wala. Mas may cellphone. 7:50. It's now 7:50. Usually before, katong wala pa nang inani si Clark, ginadrop na ako sila sa school at 7:05, 7:09. Pero karon nga na problema si Clark. Gusto niya dugay siya i-drop, like nahapit na magsugod ang class time. So 8 man niya ang class time, sa Ida 8:15. Palit sa ko prutas, guys. Napalit ko saging o watermelon o mangga. Nasa dali na ng hawat ang prutas na palit ko. Ay actually wala man ko kapalit og banana atong last. Sundo time. What time is it? It's now 10:45. Sundo sa ko. Kanina naghahangya si Ida o Tara pero may iyon lang pag mais kayo. Para tipid ka gasolina. Kaya gusto daw niya sa Tara ka mas muna daw. Ang gawas ni Ida, so tama lang akong time magkuha. Nasayuhan ko guys, it's 11:02 pa lang and pa traffic, pero kung andun ako dito wala pa si Ida, patuyo-puyo ko na ihapon ko nila sa gawas. There na lang ko sa Daplin mag-hazard. Alright, we're here na sa school. Wait lang kaya kung music. We're here na guys, see? I am missing the small car.
Sa kuan.
Unsa?
Sa community of places and then the community helpers.
Nag-study mo?
And then the
Community?
communities towards helper.
Nag-study sila guys, kaya lapit na lang exam. Actually next week, exam na nila and next week is last week na nila sa school. Tama ba? Next week? Yeah, next week. Tama.
Mama, nakalimot na ratter.
Hulo ko. Huwag man nalimutan mo.
Katong morning.
What is that? Show mama daw, be. What is that?
Kani, awa.
Nasa communication?
Oh,
Uh-oh. What's that?
kani.
Okay, I will check it later, ha?
Awa.
Okay. That's for the exam. I saw that already.
Oh,
Yeah, I saw that already.
kanan
Daddy.
yung
Of course.
wa ko kabantay.
Check na ko dayon na imuhang folder man.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door.
Lunch is done. We're eating watermelon. But I changed yung plan. So, instead na mag-uban si Dada o si Ada magsundo, ako na lang ang magsundo sa Clark at sa Kuya Jiden.
Uban ka.
Pero 12:47 pa. It's now 2:28 and I'm going na. Bye-bye.
Uban ko.
No, magbaktas ko. Mag-talk ako sa teacher ni Kuya Clark. Bye-bye, love you.
Uban ko.
Hindi naman mag-uban si Daddy Pod. Sige na, bye-bye na, love you. Oh, kainit. Wala ka sa nakar. Kung gamit ng adlaw. Kung ito sa gamay ka nakar. Ay, dapat ko nakar ng gamit. Okay, abot na ko, pero wala ko sa school naghulat. Layo ko sa school actually. Na ako sa may Hayashi Bread banda. Nanawag na. Yes, Clark.
Hapit kami.
Pababa na mo.
Dili pero hapit kami.
O, sige, ingnan lang ko pababa na ka. Kaya feeling na ako mag-cleaners pa ka, diba?
Okay, bye-bye, my love you.
I love you. Clark is here. Nabing freeze. Ganina. Let's go grocery. Mag-grocery mini Clark. How's mango shake?
Okay.
Name?
Oh, dami.
Ang grocery mi sa may ano lang, Gmall.
Please man, please man.
Awan ninyo guys. It says, where? It says, hi kid. Gisulat-sulatan niya ang iyahang kamot. Upus ka marker.
1515.
No! That's right. Ano lang, wala na ako gidala si Ida. Kaya kung gidala na ako si Ida, sa mama usod ko kalayo, kayo ako ang parking. Ano namin guys? Wait lang. Ito ko ba tagbang? O ano? Parking namin guys. So, baba namin ni Clark. Dahil na Clark? Dugay mi naka-parking kay walay bilot. Walay paabot pa mi.
Okay?
What's that? What happened?
Try ko TV.
Samat?
No.
Okay.
Saan may open?
Pwede na ko sila yung popping heart gummy.
Like this.
Okay. Ano siya guys? Gummies.
Ate,
Tapos, ano yung popping candy? I-drop niyo mo siya dire. Ano siya? Malipay itong Kuya Jaden ani. Kung si Ida. Look at that guys. Eat that. Popping? Nag-pop?
Yum.
Yan.
Hawa mo.
Kuya Jaden is here na guys. Magisingot. Magisingot kaya walay basketball today. Whole month pala. Zikal! Zikal! Bye bye! Ida na po doon niya inig mag ano. Si Ida na po matry siya hangin na. Dami. Nagapap. Sige daw. Kita.
May Arts No Friday.
Opo.
May procedure doon.
Na-i-read dyan.
Siyo.
We're home na.
Asan tugikan?
Siya nagbuhat. Kauna ni Idang iyahang bahin. Ay, diha lang te. Okay, open it kuya.
Akala lang kay Ida, paping candy. Hinay lang.
Ay, dugay naman eh. Sa'yo mong nakuha, Clark?
Umbot.
Maybe kani. Or no?
No.
Or kani. Kaya siya black.
May black po. Hindi may. Ay, kuan ni sapatos.
Where? Ah, dara. Sapatos dahil. Sapatos dahil siya. Muna yung nakuha. Sige, build na.
Wait lang.
Kay Kuya Jayden, ang nakuha niya kay kani si Santa.
Finally,
Ng
di kaya
grandpa.
ako eh.
Hindi,
Musulod naman din siya
giyaw.
Matabangis ako, ma.
Ayan nakuha sa Kuya.
Kaya to eh. Matabangis ako, please.